Yeah, good everyone. So let's check out this question. Still on what problem related to simultaneous equation. So for this question, we have the sum of two numbers is 17. The difference between 3 times the first number and 2 times the second number is 1. So find two numbers. Now we're given the sum of two numbers is 17. We don't know the two numbers. So you can say let S represent the first number. So let S represent the first number. Then let Y represent the second number. So the first number is S and the second number is Y. Now we want to find the value of S and we also want to find the value of Y. So from here, we're given the sum of two numbers is 17. So the two numbers are S and Y. So they are sum. That means S plus Y is equal to 17. So you can call this equation 1. The sum is 17. Now, for the second statement, we were given the difference between 3 times the first number. So 3 times the first number is 4. That is 3. The first number is S. So 3 times the first number will be 3 multiplied by S. So that will be 3S. Now note, the statement says the difference is like subtraction. Now the difference between 3 times the first number, and between 3 times the first number is 3S. Difference is minus. And 2 times the second number is Y. So 2Y is what? Is equals to 1. So you can call this equation 2. So 3 times the first number minus 2 times the second number is equals to 1. So that's equation 2. So from here, we're still to find the two numbers. We want to find the value of S and the value of Y. So from here, we are still going to be using the elimination method. So instead we eliminate the S from the two equations, or we eliminate Y from the two equations. So from here, let's just eliminate Y. So to eliminate Y, that means you need to make Y value in equation 1 and equation 2 to be the same thing. So for me, in equation 1 we only have 1Y, and equation 2 we have 2Y. That means you need to multiply equation 1 by 2. So that 2 multiplied by Y, 2 multiplied by 1Y, it gives us 2Y. Then we can eliminate the Y. So for me, you have 2S. So 2 multiplied by that will be 2S plus 2Y equals to 34. That is 2 multiplied by Y, 2Y. 2 multiplied by 17 will give you 34. And here too, we have 3S minus 2Y to be equals to 1. So for me, you can subtract. Let's add. If you subtract equation 1, okay, let me say call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Now, if you subtract this from here, if you subtract this, your minus multiplied by minus become plus. And when you add, that means it will be plus 2Y plus 2Y, that will be 4Y. That means your Y is still there. So the best thing for you to do is to add. That is, you add equation 1 and equation 2 together. So when you add equation 1 and equation 2 together, this becomes 5S, that is 2S plus 3S, become 5S. And your plus 2Y plus minus 2Y become like 0. And this will be 35. And you have 5S becomes 35. So from here, divide 7 by 5, divide 7 by 5, and your S will be 35 divided by 5 will give you 7. So the value of your S, the first number will be equal to 7. Now from here, let's come back to this equation. S plus Y equals 17. So from equation 1, where we have S plus Y equals to 17. Now we already got the value of our S to be 7. So anywhere you see S in this equation, you can put 7. So you have 7 plus Y to be equal to 17. So from here you have your Y to be 17 minus 7, and Y will be equal to 10. So that means the value of S will be 7 and the value of Y will be 10. So now you can also confirm if your answer is correct. Now, if you put y equal to 7, and if you put s equal to 7 and y equal to 10, in these two equations, you will get this. From here, if you put s here to be 7 and y here to be 10, you get 17. If you put your s here and you put your y to be 10 here, you also get 1. So that means the two values that satisfy these two equations will be s equals to 7 and y equals to 10.